What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on? Listen, I'm back with yet another video. For those of you who are already subscribed, you already know what it is. For those of you who are tuning in for the first time, welcome. What you can find here are talks about maca root extract to be exact, how to gain/maintain weight, product reviews, skincare hacks, skincare product reviews, skincare products that I've loved and those that I just haven't loved as much. Kojic acid soap, the real Kojic acid ultimate illuminating bar, how to grow longer hair, specifically 4C hair, protective styles for 4C hair, much more, just how to glow the heck up in general. All right, let's get into it. Before I go into the video, I just want to say, the real Kojic acid ultimate illuminating wash is here, y'all. I love it. I absolutely do. For those of you who love just a great smelling product, this is it right here. But before you get scared and be like, oh no, I just want you to know, no, it is not packed with a bunch of artificial fragrance or anything like that. What it has in it is orange essential oil and also lemongrass. And the lemongrass is absolutely divine, if I must say so myself, okay? Peep, the product is great. I've already gotten rave reviews. We out here. I've put some in some of y'all's packages for those of you who have recently ordered. I hope you absolutely love it. Tangy does. You know what I'm saying? Look, Jay, I gotta shout out JP. He's like, listen, that maca is getting me through the day. JP and Official Happy Soul, shout out to them. We're like, I take it every day. Jay adds it to his pre-workout, said he's loving it, he's loving it, he's loving it, he's loving it. So I just wanted to come and shout out those people. Shout out to Katie. Katie was like, I love the stinking bar. I love the bar. I love the way it feels and looks in the shower. It's so pretty. It makes me feel amazing. It is effective. I'm loving it so far. Y'all, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Shout out to John, who just placed a large order. Okay, I see you. I appreciate each and every one of you who have tapped in. Joseph, I see you. Much appreciated. Mr. Brown, I see you. I thank you. Y'all coming through with the come through, and I really do hope that you love everything. We still got the scrub. We got the cream on deck. We do have the soaps. Again, we have the regular and we have the fragrance free or the milder version for those of you who want it. Okay, where you can find me on the socials: Yanni Ceecee, YANNICEE. I've been up on IG. I've been on FB, y'all. I'm back on FB. Okay, Yanni Ceecee, and of course on TikTok. And we out here, we growing. You know what I'm saying? So I appreciate you all. Let's talk about a couple skincare hacks. Of course, I've been using this Kojic acid wash. Let me tell y'all something. The great thing about this wash is that you can use it on the face and body. First of all, you can use it on the face and body. I'm going in, I'm not playing. You can use it on the face and body. It smells amazing. Like I said, of course you want a patch test. Of course you want to use a sunscreen with this product, but it's absolutely amazing. And it has improved, I feel, the overall texture of my skin. A skincare hack that I've been doing, y'all. You already know that I've been drinking water and hydrating like a mug, for real. When I have a craving for soda or whatever, I drink, I was about to say I drink juice a lot. No, sir. On occasion, but it'll be like cranberry juice or something like that, right? When I have a craving, I've been drinking tea, caffeine-free tea for the most part. Occasionally some green tea. Y'all, game changer. Also, I feel bad because I don't remember the video that I had watched, but I'm sure you all have heard it before too. You want to go to bed looking like a darn glazed donut. And I was like, is that really effective? Y'all, listen to me. Listen to me. I have been alternating between salicylic acid, Kojic acid, and hyaluronic acid. Well, first of all, you know that the Kojic wash and the items that I have, part of the collection, they have hyaluronic acid in there. But I also use the Ordinary's hyaluronic acid, and you have to apply it while damp. So after you wash your face, apply the hyaluronic acid and let it just, you know, dry like that. Like pat it all over your face. I put it in I drip it into my hands, and then I do this and put it all over. Y'all, I then go in with my moisturizer. You already know, natural moisturizing factors from Ordinary as well. I go in with that, but I think I'm gonna try another moisturizer just to see. And then I've been putting my eyelash and eyebrow serum on. This is my routine that I've been doing, and basically switching it up between the acids. I've been applying my eyelash serum, and then some nights I just simply use castor oil. And I don't know if y'all can see. Let me tell you something. The lashes are growing. Because one day I looked in the mirror, I said, hold up. What have I really been doing? Because I wasn't even doing the lash and brow serum like consistently. Of course, I take my Maca and all of that. I was like, what am I doing that's making my lashes really just pop? I don't know, y'all, but we out here. And at the end of the day, I see an overall improvement in the texture. My cycle finished not too long ago, and I didn't have a crazy breakout. I had a couple pimples over here, like a couple. Okay, when I say, literally after I did the glazed donut thing, after I washed my face and then applied the hyaluronic acid and then applied the moisturizer, and then I took shea butter and mango butter and I put that underneath my eyes as an eye cream, but I will end up actually purchasing some recommended ones, but I've been using that as an eye cream. And listen to me, literally the next mornings, okay, after the nighttime, whatever, I said, hold up, the little pimples have gone down, the texture has overall improved. I feel as though the pores have been minimized, and my skin overall, clearly I have makeup on, but my skin overall has a glow to it. And I think it's due to the fact that I'm doing this glazed donut situation every night without fail. Because y'all know I was the worst with being consistent with things. So I'll do things and then fall off. But recently I have been on top of it for many reasons. I'm out here selling products. I can't be telling y'all whatever and then looking like a plum fool. Okay. And then I just want to look good for myself. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? So I'm like, yo, eating consistently, eating on time. Eating on time. What you mean? We out here. You see the fullness. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You see the maintenance of the weight. Okay, I'm trying to tell you. Shout out to Tara. Tara has been looking at the shorts and taking the Maca and implementing the simple meal ideas and whatnot. And Tara hasn't even worked out like that. Tara said she has gone up in size. I'm trying to tell you, we out here. So the gist of this video was just going to give you the testimonials and tell you that I am quite pleased with everything. What you mean? Lips popping. I got on a whipped cream moisturizing lipstick. I absolutely love this lipstick, if I do say so myself. I absolutely love the liner. I love the mascara. All from Modestly Lavish Store, y'all. All from Modestly Lavish Store. Tap in. I'm trying to tell you, okay? Because I'm going to hook up the package and give you some extras anyway. Just know that, okay? But I ain't out here losing too much and looking too frail and whatnot. No, we out here glowing up and keeping on size. What you mean? Keeping on size. You feel me? I'm trying to tell you, look at this. Look at the whipped cream. This honestly looks a lot like Pouty. This looks a lot like my Pouty lip gloss. Do I have it here? I don't even have it here right now, but y'all know Pouty. Pouty was in the Maca and Horny Goatweed video that I did. That lip color, it looks like Pouty, but it's whipped cream. And whipped cream simply looks like this. It's right here. It simply looks like this. Do I need to zoom in? Or do I need to move back? I've been going in. I did the 100 layers challenge. Yes, I did. I might do another one. I might do the full thing up on here if y'all want to see that. If y'all want to see me do 100 layers of this here on YouTube, let me know and I will do that. Put it in the comments, okay? I don't even know what to say though. I'm very, very happy with everything. And I feel like the glazed donut hack, y'all. Go to bed making sure that your skin is basically looking like a glazed donut. Like oiled up, serumed up, hyaluronic acided up, all of that. Just make sure that you out here, and that is the way that you want to go to sleep. You don't want to go to sleep with it dry at all or not doing a whole routine. Okay, now I'm not saying to go overboard with the acids. That's why I say you gotta alternate. You have to alternate. Don't do all the acids every day like that. No, 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 no. And especially if you're using something like retinol, you don't need to be doing that every single night. No. Maybe once or twice a week, and then the rest, one night use a salicylic acid, another use a Kojic, take a little break. Like, you gotta switch it up. But I'm super, super hype, and yeah, I see a difference in my skin. I mean, I just wanted to come on here and look real cute today, since y'all, let me just say this, because I don't want people to be like, well, how come she... One thing about me, I don't always have to have makeup on, and people could say whatever it is that they want to say about me. People gonna talk about you regardless. That's one thing that I've realized. If you have on makeup, why she always got on makeup? If you use a filter, why she always got on a filter? If you don't wear makeup, why she don't put on no makeup? If you wear your hair in braids, why she don't wear her own hair? If you wear your own hair, why she don't switch it up and just put... People are always going to say something, so you do you. But you make sure that you're making sure that your skin is situated and all that too. And that you are taking care of yourself in the meantime. What you mean? That's it right there. But the glazed donut thing, effective. Literally the next morning after looking at my skin and saying, skin looking a little dull, eyes looking tired to blow out, everything not really situated. I said, let me do this glazed donut thing, because hey, why not? It works. That hyaluronic acid, some people say that it doesn't really work like that, the hyaluronic acid. Maybe because I'm using products that all have hyaluronic acid in them with the ordinaries. I don't know, but I feel that it's doing something. I feel that it's doing something. Okay, what you mean? And I'm just gonna keep you updated. We out here. Again, thank you for your Maca, Kojic acid, and lippy orders. Once I started doing like the 100 layer challenges and stuff like that, and the 200, people started tapping into the lip stuff too, because Maca and Kojic are the products that go. But now people tapping into the lip stuff too. So I appreciate you all. Yes, we have more. If there's anything that you don't see, definitely email me, ask me, hey, you have this product, like what's going on with it? And I do have more to come very, 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 very soon. You see, I've been posting the shorts like crazy. I just haven't done like a video like this in a while. And it was that time. Yeah. So I said, let me come up on here and say what's up to y'all. Give you an update, but I appreciate you guys. You already know what it is. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. Again, my website is modestlylavishstore.com. I don't think I ever said that. modestlylavishstore.com. It is in the description. And we out here. I appreciate you guys. Shout out to you all for the testimonials. I do have more testimonials. Okay, and I thank you all so, so very much. Thanks for tuning in. And I'll holla. Oh, and again, Yanni Ceecee on Facebook, on TikTok, and of course on IG. The Modesty Lavish pages, I basically be on the Yanni Ceecee pages and then promoting everything from there. But I'm getting everything together. Y'all. Don't worry. And of course, as always, just tap right into modestlylavishstore.com to get your products. Okay? Thank you all so much. Stay blessed, not stressed. Don't let anybody steal your joy. Don't steal anybody else's. It's just that simple. Thanks for tuning in. And I'll holla. Peace. And official Happy Soul and Jay, thank you again for your Maca testimonials. They were mostly talking about from the energy perspective. They ain't telling me about nothing else. Okay, but they said that they feel good, they feel great, and they feel a difference taking the GIHYL Maca root extract. Okay, so just want to let y'all know. And again, I thank you. Holla.